Hello traders and investors, this is Amrish Mohabe and welcome to my channel All Season Investing. From quite some time now, I have been sharing my profit videos, my Nifty, Bank Nifty and stock specific analysis videos with you. So in case you haven't seen those videos, I would suggest you to go and have a look at my older videos so you will get a flair that what kind of analysis I'm sharing with you on this channel free of cost. Now we'll quickly move forward to Nifty analysis of this week. Nifty is following this trend line since it has made the March lows, and now this week this trend line has been breached by Nifty and it has shown some rebound from that level also, and again on 4th of September, the last trading session, it has shown some weakness. Now the support lies around 11,060 levels, from 11,060 levels till 10,950 levels. So the first support this week, if Nifty follows this trend, this downtrend would be the I wouldn't say this is the downtrend. Obviously this is the correction. Nifty won't fall from here drastically. The structure doesn't change if Nifty doesn't go below 10,750 level. Below this level the Nifty structure would change and I would say the downtrend has started. But this quite a move which Nifty has taken on the last trading session. I suppose this will end near 10,800, levels, and if it again rebounds from here, the trend would continue, the uptrend would continue. This level is I would say this levels which I have indicated from 11,009 sorry 390 till 10,787. I would be neutral in Nifty and won't be bullish or bearish, though this is the corrective move. So on intraday basis and weekly basis we can short and take the profit at these levels. So the first support lies around 11,080. The second support, or you can say the zone, lies from 11,070 till 10,900. The major support is around 10,760 levels. Below this I would say Nifty has turned bearish for quite some coming times. Now if we see the option chain of Nifty, the highest open interest on the put side is around 10,500 levels, 11,000 levels, and the second highest is around 10,000 level. So it won't breach this 11,000 level easily, and I would say the trend is neutral till 11,000. And on the call side the highest open interest is around 11,500 level. So Nifty can be trading between 11,500 till 11,000 range, which it will make this week. This is my prediction, this is my view for Nifty for the coming week. Now I'll go to Bank Nifty. I have been showing you this hourly chart of Bank Nifty since 2 or 3 months, and I have been telling you that this box, when the Nifty will breach this box upside or the downside, a major move will come. And this 25,200 was the resistance, was the final resistance I have drawn since quite some time now, and Nifty has respected this level, no, sorry, Bank Nifty has respected this level, and it has taken a dip from this level, and now it has entered the box which I have indicated you. It can easily enter this box if it breaches 23,400 levels. Now the first support which Bank Nifty can take is around 22,490. Friends, please note these levels. These levels play a very important role when you trade Nifty on intraday basis. So you can short Nifty around, if Nifty opens, if Bank Nifty opens at these levels, you can short it, and the first target would be around 22,490. The second would be around 21,980. So Bank Nifty is more bearish than Nifty. It has fallen, it has given a dip more intensely than what Nifty has given last week. So my suggestion would be go long in Nifty, Nifty and Bank Nifty for the coming week. If you get opportunities, you can definitely go short in Nifty at every rise. So this was my view for Nifty and Bank Nifty in the coming week, and I would suggest you, I would request you, I would say, if you haven't seen my videos, please go and watch those old videos of mine so you can get a flair that what kind of analysis we share here. In the coming week, I would be sharing, this week itself, I would be sharing some stock specific moves, intraday moves, or maybe weekly moves. If I'll get time, I'll definitely share on this channel. So friends, if this video has done something good in your analysis, please like, share and subscribe this channel. And until the next weekly analysis, happy trading, happy investing.